Woke up with the sunrise, Texas sky so clear. Put on my old boots and a big old smile, my dear. Headed down the highway where the laughter flies, to the heart and soul of Texas, where memories arise. Cotton candy sweetness and a Ferris wheel ride. Smell of BBQ and love that's country fried. Music fills the air, fiddles and guitars, holding hands and dancing under Texas stars. At the Texas State Fair, where the world stands still, every moment magic, every heart can feel. From the rodeo to the carousel, laughter fills the air, lights a little brighter at the Texas State Fair. Midway lights are shining as the sun dips low. Kids are chasing dreams, adults let worries go. Corn dogs and funnel cakes, oh the joy we share. Simple pleasures found at the Texas State Fair.